Your body is designed to heal itself, but it can only do that if you give it the right foods. These natural foods don't just feed you, they help repair you. Garlic activates your body's defense and detox systems. It supports immunity, circulation, and gut health. One clove a day can make a real difference over time. Raw honey helps calm inflammation and supports digestion. It has natural antibacterial properties and fuels healing without spiking energy crashes. Nature's original healer. Ginger improves digestion and reduces internal inflammation. People often notice less bloating and better gut comfort within weeks. Small root, strong effect. Yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables rebuild healthy gut bacteria. A balanced gut improves immunity, mood, and nutrient absorption. Healing starts in the gut. Berries are packed with antioxidants that protect cells from damage. They support skin, brain health, and recovery from daily stress. Low sugar, high healing power. Avocados help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins. They support hormone balance, skin health, and steady energy. Healthy fat helps the body heal faster. Salmon and sardines provide omega-3 fats that support tissue repair. They reduce inflammation and support the brain and heart. This is healing at the cellular level. Lentils stabilize blood sugar and improve digestion. Stable blood sugar allows the body to focus on healing, not survival. Simple food, powerful support. Spinach and kale supply essential minerals your body uses to repair itself. They support blood health, detox pathways, and energy production. Your cells feel this quickly. Apples feed beneficial gut bacteria and support digestion. A healthy gut allows nutrients to be used for healing instead of wasted. Old wisdom, still true. Healing doesn't start in a pharmacy. It starts in your kitchen. Save this. Eat with purpose. Let your body do what it was designed to do.